What's up? Quazi here, and today I want to share with you a technique that's helped me amplify the law of attraction and working for my favor and attracting the things that I want in my life. Now, before I begin, it's important that we understand what NLP is. Now, NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and one of the founders of NLP was this man called Richard Bandler, and he has this great book, or actually rather a series of great books, but if you read Get the Life You Want by Richard Bandler, it identifies every single technique that he uses to change your own brain neurochemistry. So you can choose the feelings that you want to feel and the emotions that you want to feel and change your attitude towards things. For example, you can get over past bad experiences and even get to newer experiences like attracting more money into your life or better grades into your life or even attract the love of your life. Now, how this links into law of attraction is we talked about how feelings bring into reality the things that you want. So whatever you feel, you attract more of. Whatever you focus on, you attract more of. Now, if you want to amplify your feelings, then you empower the law of attraction to working better and better. And one way I've found to amplify your feelings is through understanding submodalities. Now, submodalities are the qualities of your thoughts. Every single quality can be related to a sense. Every single thought has 5 senses that you perceive. For example, if you think about the sun rising in the morning, then you have a feeling of certainty that the sun will rise next morning. So your feelings have certain qualities to that. Try this exercise to identify all the senses. Picture the sun rising and you'll feel, just visualize the sun rising and then write down 5 qualities you see, whether it be it located on the top left or top right of your visualization or even in the center, wherever it is, what you feel kinesthetically, warmth or cold, and what you smell, and then what you hear when you picture the sun rising in the morning, and what you feel when you see the sun rising in the morning. Now do the complete opposite. Picture something you're uncertain about, like what you're gonna have for lunch or dinner or your next meal. And then write down the 5 qualities of these. Now the submodalities are the senses. So the qualities of your thoughts are referred to as the submodalities. And you wanna write down a feeling for every single sense. Now you've identified your uncertainty qualities and your certainty qualities. So next time you visualize something, such as making a lot of money or attracting your dream partner into your life, you can attach the qualities of certainty. So for example, if you saw the sun in the top left corner of the screen of your visualization, then you can put you attracting your dream partner, meeting her, meeting him in the top left corner, and then you can attach the same submodalities of certainty to make it a reality. Now, another technique that's helped me massively amplify emotions is spinning feelings. Every single thought has a certain spin to it. Now, at first it's going to be difficult to identify the spin to it, but over time, as you get more and more used to it, just start to use your finger. So next time you visualize something, use your finger to rotate the feeling. So you may be feeling it in your stomach area, so try to rotate it clockwise, rotate it counterclockwise, rotate it front and back, and then back and front. See which spin is more prominent, and that is the spin of that feeling. Now once you get a hang of the spin of the feeling, spin it faster and slower. So as you spin a feeling faster and faster, you start to amplify it, and that's what really helps you in the law of attraction. Once you amplify the feelings, you feel more of it, and then you take the picture that you're seeing and then make it huge, just make it big and put it straight on your face. Then it becomes even more real. Now, why feelings are important in the law of attraction is because the universe communicates in the language of feelings. When you want to attract something in your life, you want to be feeling it. The feeling is what brings the visualization into reality, because thoughts are just thoughts. but feelings have some sort of physical quality to it. Feelings are your bodily reactions to your thoughts. So you want to be feeling every single feeling and give yourself permission to feel what you would feel if you had it. Now, once you come from the outcome, you start to generate the emotions and the feelings that would bring the visualization into life. So there are 2 techniques to amplify your feelings. First of all, identify the submodalities. So whatever you feel for a feeling of certainty and whatever you feel for a feeling of uncertainty. So relate them to the 5 senses of kinesthetic, olfactory, auditory, visual, and feeling. Where in your body you feel that feeling. So as I said, for certainty, try to visualize something certain in your life, like the sun rising in the morning. And then do something for uncertainty, whereas such as what you're going to have for your next meal, or where you're going to go out next. And then visualize and feel and write down the 5 senses for each of these. So now you've identified what you feel for uncertainty, where the picture is, what you feel, where in your body you're feeling it, what sort of smell you're getting. That's the first step. Second step is you want to identify where in the body it spins and which way it spins. So for certainty, it may spin a certain direction, and for uncertainty, it may spin another direction. So for me, if I'm feeling certain about something, it spins clockwise. And I can take that feeling when I'm visualizing something that I want to attract into my life and spin it more and more clockwise and make the images bigger. So I spin it clockwise faster and faster and amplify the feelings. When you spin a feeling faster, you get more of it. And then when you enlarge the picture, you get even more of it. So something I want to attract into my life, like money, like good grades, I'll take the image of me getting good grades and then amplify it, make it bigger. Or healing from injuries even, I'll make it bigger and then I'll spin it even faster and faster until I start to fully bask in that feeling. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped. Try out these techniques, and till next time.